Samantala, bayanihan para sa Balikbayang Manggagawa Job Fair na layong tulungan ang mga OFW na makahanap ng bagong oportunidad, idinaos sa Cebu. Halos 40 repatriated OFWs isinailalim sa psychosocial services dahil sa sinapit na trauma sa tensyon sa Middle East. Si Jessie Atienza ng PTV Cebu sa sentro ng balita.
Dumagsa ang nasa mahigit 1,000 job applicants sa Cebu Provincial Capital para makapaghanap ng bagong oportunidad. Ito ang bayanihan para sa Balikbayang Manggagawa, isang local and overseas job fair ng Department of Migrant Workers, kaagapay ang ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan at Cebu Provincial Government. Lumahok sa aktibidad ang nasa 26 na local job providers at 13 na mga lisensyadong recruitment agencies.
We're so proud and happy because the President has mandated us to carry on with our work in terms of protecting our OFWs, lalo na yung mga nanunumbalik from the Middle East. We're so thankful to GovPAM, Balicuatro for all the help and the support and the partnership. Because the President clearly wants us to help those who have returned in terms of reintegration, livelihood, employment, facilitation, and upskilling or skills development.
Kabilang sa mga nag-aalok ng trabaho para sa mga kababayang OFWs ay ang Department of Education sa pamamagitan ng Sa Pinas, Ikaw ang Ma'am at Sir o SPIMS.
So it is an opportunity for our licensed teachers na nag-teach sila sa labas but they want to come home and teach Filipinos. They only have to apply online and DepEd, may partnership po si DMW with DepEd para maipasok sila sa DepEd.
Samantala, nasa halos 40 na mga repatriated OFWs mula sa Middle East ang isinailalim sa psychosocial services na mahagi din ng Cebu Provincial Government ng inisyal na tulong sa kanila.
Very important kasi if we want to mainstream them back to our economy, local or national economy, the Cebuano economy, Region 7 economy or the national economy, then they have to be physically and mentally whole, di ba? To serve their families, parang tayo rin, di ba? When we want to be productive workers as we are in government, in your line of work, then we have to be physically, mentally prepared for the role, for the task, and that's exactly what we did today. Yung post-repatriation orientation seminar has a very strong psychosocial counseling element.
Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.